The ladies are busy today. It's a bright sunny day. Lots of pollen. They are busy. We're gonna do a quick inspection and probably put a super on that one. This is the pink hive, the super. They're putting in a lot of nectar in here, starting to get it built up. Don't see any capped honey yet. Gonna put in a small hive beetle trap. Well, there you see some of the first capped honey of the year. They're filling in nectar. A little more capped honey and filling in nectar. Well, a little more capped honey here. Oh, more capped honey here. Looks like it's starting to really happen. Wow, look at that brood. They're just bursting at the seams. Oh, just tons of brood. So I'm now going to give them that other box. This is a queen excluder to keep the queen down in the brood boxes. This is the honey super boxes. They're frames that they'll start hopefully putting honey in. Have a little more space to operate. Here the ladies, they used to have a little upper entrance here. Now they're all climbing up, trying to go inside. It's just amazing. They're all marching upwards, trying to find their way in. Entrance to the green hive. Just so many bees coming in and out, bringing in pollen and nectar out on this beautiful sunny day.